In this video I show you how to sew the back stitch. I have prepared a little bear and I want to sew on the belly with the back stitch. To do this I need a thread that is threaded into a pointed needle in the front and has a knot in the back. For the very first stitch I stitch into the fabric from the back so that the knot is hidden on the back of the fabric. For the first back stitch I stitch to the back and stitch up again in front of my exit point. For the second back stitch I stitch backwards again, stitching down exactly where the first back stitch left off and stitching up again in front of my exit point. I make sure that the stitches are as regular as possible. I repeat this process until I have sewn around the belly.